Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything I made from the bargain bead box for September of 2022 called Misty Rose. I ended up doing two tutorials out of it. I did a memory wire bracelet tutorial and an earring tutorial because I've had quite a few people asking me about memory wires and my earrings and stuff. So I did those. I will leave the links below to those two tutorials. Say that fast twice. So that you can see them if you want. I didn't film any videos last week because we had our roof being worked on, and oh my gosh, the noise, every time I started to film a video, it was pounding. It scared the bejesus out of my dog and cat. So yeah, so last week was kind of a bust as far as videos, but now I'm back and I'm going. So this was the first thing I made. And this was the tutorial that I made. I used some of my own pieces. This was the memory wire bracelet. Like I said, I will put the link below to the tutorial. And I used some of their stuff and some of my stuff because, you know, I always love to, you know, add my own flair. So I did add some fire polish beads from the dollar bead box, and some of my own rhinestone spacers and stuff, and some of my own silver because I love to mix metals. So, and then I put this, one of the copper spacers in between the silver bead caps. So I thought that turned out really pretty. And then these are little handmade charms. So I did this. This was my first one. And then this was the earring tutorial I did. So these are my earrings, and I'll leave it below. I thought these turned out really cute, and they're not heavy at all. So yeah, I did use some of my own black 11-0 Miyuki seed beads in my black rhinestone spacers. But I thought these turned out really cool. I was really happy with those. I have those. Memory wire bracelet. Then I made this other bracelet, and now I'm going to put pictures up of everything. I'll put it at the beginning and end of the video so you can really look at it, because sometimes just looking at it like this, it's kind of hard to get a view for it. So I ended up taking these little daggers that I have, and I added them, and I added some of my own beads, of course, and some of my wood beads in the fire polish, but I did use almost half of them. And then they have the three right there. So this is kind of I use this like this. I thought this was really pretty. I love mixing. I love taking a bead box and just mixing other colors with it, you know, because sometimes it's just, it can get kind of boring if, you know, they don't give you enough different colors. And that's what's great, is you can, you know, take your own beads and mix them with them and really make some really pretty stuff. So I have these. My hands are slippery here. Okay. So yeah, I thought, and then these are my little 11-0. They're kind of like a tangerine kind of cup, not tangerine. Trying to think of the color. They're like orangey, but bright, like a flamingo kind of color. So I got this. Then I had a lot of fun with this one. This one I took the pendant, and then I did a double strand, and then I took from Adornable Elements. They have their 2-hole beads and their hot and trendy bead of the month, which I belong to too. I have tutorials on them. So I did that, and then I did this afterwards. So I just thought this looked really, just gave it a really unique look, because I wasn't sure like what I was going to do with this, and then I thought, oh, I like the way that looks. So yeah, so this was what I did, and then I used some of my own stuff again, and some of the bargain bead box stuff, and then just a silver lobster clasp. And then this was really cool. So this one that I made, I have to, hold on one second. You're gonna have to look at the pictures because it's hard when it's laying down. Let me move this stuff. But I did, I don't know if you can really see it like this. I did this, and it looks really nice when it's hanging. I'll put the picture up of it hanging on a bust, so you can really get a look, you know, at it. But I thought this turned out really cool. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with this pendant, and I like it with the copper like that. I think that turned out really pretty. And then of course I used some of, I think these were from Sam's bead box, if I'm not mistaken, and then some of my own gray rondelles, and then I used this from the box. So yeah, so this was everything that I made for Misty Rose for September 2022. And like I said, I have a tutorial for this bracelet and a tutorial for this pair of earrings. I will leave the links below so that you can see them. And let me know down in the comments how you liked these things and what you did with your boxes. If you made anything and if you mixed any colors with them or not. I love hearing other people's ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There's many more to come. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also my links to Pinterest, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram are below, so you can click on those and follow me on there if you like. And I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thanks for watching.